Yes, it is. It's still raining today. Today is Sunday. After the thunderstorm, we continue with this rain in Kuwait. So nice. It's beautiful today. I'd like to buy something for it right now, but I must continue my way. Here, let's go. Let's continue with you guys. The raining in Kuwait today, Sunday, start the afternoon like 4 p.m. Local time 4 p.m. Yeah. It's coming little rain first time, and after 1 hour exactly, he's start thunderstorm. His continued thunderstorm like 1 hour half. Right now still just raining. That's it. That's mean the thunderstorm is finished. He removed on the south or the east. Right now she's still raining. That's for Sunday weather in Kuwait. Of course, November 4, 2018. So almost the people is so happy about this weather. Is the winter is not yet, it's not start in Kuwait, but that's mean raining, that's mean the winter is coming soon. Maybe the half this month, November, maybe up, I don't know exactly, but we can see, we can wait. We not lose anything. We must be happy about this rain. I open the window a little bit, you can hear the voice, the car, and the raining also. Good. It's really so good today. I try to buy right now fish fries. I eat my dinner. We continue with you guys. Nobody walking. It's impossible walking at this time. Right, I can take left side right now. Return back to go to the restaurant. How many minutes right now? 9 minutes. My video. All right. Don't stop. Oh my God. How is working this one? Oh, go there. Okay. We try to buy something right now. French fries. I think this French fries this time is good. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come here. السلام عليكم. عطنا بطاطا شيبس. واحد شيبس. هو ده مع سفنة.
واحد بالضبط شيبس واحد مسافر.
Still raining, okay? Still raining. Sabago. Restaurant here. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys. Bye bye.